This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on LED flash notifications on iPhone. Whenever you receive a notification, you want to turn on your LED flash, just follow this quick guide to do it. Open your settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Scroll down, tap on audio, visual. Scroll down and here you'll find the LED flash for alerts option. So turn on it. And if you want to enable flash when your iPhone is silent, enable this. And that's how we can turn on LED flash notifications on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.